Welcome to the channel, guys, with performance review of outgoing trading week. As we do, let's dive into wrap up of the fundamentals first. Following the unexpected loss of PM Ishida in Japan on Monday, markets opened with gaps in yen pairs as the likelihood of a hawkish stance by Japan's ruling party and the Bank of Japan diminished. Similarly, gold, silver, and crude oil gapped down as Israel's strike on Iranian military targets without impacting oil or nuclear facilities signaled potential de-escalation. Economic data: the data has been mixed. Negative job openings, GDP, and GDP price index contrast with a surprisingly positive ADP non-farm payroll. Core PCE index met analyst expectations but was slightly higher than previous, while lower than expected weekly unemployment claims indicated conflicting signals on inflation and employment trends. Notably, the latest NFP report showed the worst performance in over 2 years, possibly due to recent labor strikes and hurricanes Milton and Helen. Gold opened with a gap down as the Israel-Iran restraint eased safe haven demand. We adjusted our trades to long positions initially until profit-taking ahead of U.S. elections triggered aggressive selling, providing us with high shorting opportunities. Silver: similar to gold, silver's gap down allowed us to go long at first. Chinese manufacturing PMI showed slight improvement, supporting the metal until profit-taking ahead of U.S. elections triggered aggressive selling, providing us with high shorting opportunities. Crude oil: the substantial gap down enabled an aggressive buy-on-dip approach. This 350 pip gap is expected to fill as U.S. stockpile drawdowns and China's economic outlook limit further downside. Support was bolstered by rumors of Iran's potential retaliation against Iraq, possibly affecting oil supplies. Here is the weekly performance review. It was a subdued week per our trading plan, though Monday's market open brought surprises. Yen pairs gapped up due to Japan's election results, while gold, silver, and crude oil gapped down as Israel's limited strike on Iran was met with restraint, curtailing further rallies. In such situations, adjusting the trading plan was essential as gaps typically close over time. Euro reached target price 1 before reversing and stopping us out, while cable also resulted in a stop out. Ninja's gap up allowed us to wait for price to close below our resistance, providing a strong short entry. Gold and silver gapped down, prompting us to switch to longs before shorting at the highs. Silver was supported by China's PMI and stimulus news, helping us profit both on longs first and then on shorts from higher levels. Crude oil opened with a 350 pip gap down, enabling us to capitalize on longs at deeper levels. As bullish sentiment returned, we secured over 500 pips on longs, helped by reports of Iran's strike on Iraq and possible disruptions to Iraq's oil supply. Bitcoin and Ethereum resulted in stop-outs as bullish bets on Trump's election victory were followed by profit-taking, with sentiment shifting towards Harris in key battleground states. Did you try shorts after stopping out as they later on fell sharply and achieved our targets at support? Thanks for watching, and I hope you follow my trading plan and earn handsome profits. If so, do not keep it to yourself and like, subscribe and share for the greater benefit of trading community at large.